This device produces a front-end plug shell and a back-end twist line suction product. Let's demonstrate how to save and retrieve the formula. First, we stop the machine, fill in the daily settings, then click on the main screen and select Formula Management. Next, choose an empty slot to create a name for this product. This product is currently 1.25 with one end interrupted by a chuck and the other end for twist line suction. We'll select a run of 25 units for easier future retrieval and statistics confirmation. After naming, the next step is to save the formula. At this point, we must click the green button on the far left, then confirm. The formula has been successfully saved. We also have instructions here: save the current formula, fill in the formula name, click save, and then confirm. If we want to retrieve the formula, we first need to know how to call it back. Let's select another dual head product, click on the main screen, and then select Formula Management. Then we can randomly choose a dual head formula that has already been retrieved. For the dual head product, click to write and select the formula, then confirm. At this point, the dual head product shows that the data has changed. After writing, we need to manually turn on the function. Originally, we need to turn off the precious function for the single head product. Turn off the precious visual capture. This is a dual head product about to be produced. Now we also need to select a template for the visual side, click to stop, then select the project and click to open the backend project. Next, choose the visual template we saved earlier, open it, and click Run. Now let's power on. It is a dual head product. Let's retrieve the single product we just had and demonstrate it, then click. Right. Now retrieve the precious product, click on the main screen, and select Formula Management. Then click the arrow on the right. We saved the 1.25 single head formula. Click to enter 1.25 single head, then click to write and select the formula and confirm. At this point, it has become a single head product data. Now we need to manually turn on the precious function for the single head visual. Similarly, we will select the visual template back to the single head product template and open the project. Then select the single head product to open it and click Run. At this point, let's continue powering on. It doesn't work. This is a product with line suction. Alright, this is how to save a formula and the key to the formula.